Are you looking for a yogic remedy for your cough, cold, asthma, wheezing, or bronchitis problem? Then I'm going to give you a very good yogic remedy which have been tried and tested on many people, and they have got a miraculous results. In this video, I'm going to share one technique which can be done every day, anytime, anywhere, to keep your chest warm and to keep your asthma or lungs related problems away. So which is this therapy? We call it rubbing therapy. In this rubbing therapy, I'm going to take both my hands, and below my thumb I find the lungs area. So you can practice this with me right now, where you take your both the hands and combine your thumbs to each other and the part which is below the thumb, and start rubbing for a minute and two with a beautiful smile on your face, and keep rubbing until it becomes very warm. And when you feel it is very warm, you keep both the hands on your chest and transfer this warmth to your chest, and just relax. Do some positive affirmation by keeping both the palms on your chest. Keep saying in the mind, my lungs are healing, my lungs are energized, I have released all the issues related to the lungs. Keep saying this way, and after a few minutes you will feel miraculously that your all the wheezing and the cough has started melting down and you're feeling very light. I would suggest you practice this kriya if you're suffering with any kind of problem like asthma, wheezing, cough, cold, allergies. Then practice 3 to 4 times in a day until that problems disappears. So do practice and let me know in the comment box if you're looking for any other video or any other topic. Thank you everyone.